Hello everyone, today's topic on Buildium bank reconciliation. So there is a full guide. First of all, we will just visit the website which is called buildium.com, and a bank reconciliation is a comparison between a company's banking record in Buildium against your real world bank statements. So bank reconciliation is a great way to find typos, missing transactions and duplicate transactions that could be lead to inaccurate reports and learn more. So how it's processed? So there are the 9 way of steps to connect your bank. First of all, link your bank account, navigate to account banking, then click bank account you want to link. From the transactions page, click the reconciliation tab, click setup auto reconciliation, review the message and click the button that says connect to accounts at your bank. And number 6 step is search for bank account and select enter the same credentials used to access the bank account online. Note, depending on your bank, you will most likely be required to complete multi-factor authentication. So number 8 step is all bank accounts associated with these shared credentials will be listed. Select which accounts you wish to create connections for. Then click Save Finish or Save Link More Accounts if there are additional bank institutions you wish to credit bank connections for. Select from the list of bank account connections and choose which to link the Buildium bank account. Then click Download Transactions. In this way, you will just have to connect it reconciliation. That's it.